Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a colorful page border in Microsoft Word. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is to select the design tab up at the top, and then on the far right side select page borders. And now select whatever border size you want. And if you want it to be colorful, I recommend making the width larger than the default, which is normally half a point. So I'm actually gonna make it 6 points here, and I'm gonna select for the color, and you can select any color you want, or you can sort the custom color by selecting more colors and then select it from this list. And again, you guys can choose various styles on here. And versus apply to, if you want to set to the whole document, you can just do that, the first page only, or everything except for the first page, or just this particular page in general. You can also orient the border differently depending if you want to enable it on all four sides perhaps. Select OK once you have made your selection, and there you go guys, simply as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.